Hey everybody, we're back with the RC4WD Drive D110 Quick Drive, and I have been having a lot of fun with this machine, adding some hop-up parts and, going out and just seeing what they look like on the trail. And I've enjoyed reading some of your comments. The last one though, the last video I did, a lot of you guys said it started to look like a school bus, and that seemed a little bit odd to me. I don't see it, but apparently some of you do. I don't know what type of bus you guys drove on, but it must have been a lot of fun. So anyway, I am going to change the look of that. I got this new piece in from RC4WD Drive, and it should change up the look of this machine quite a bit. And I'm sure you're already wondering what it is, and the box does look pretty big, doesn't it? Well, it's a roof rack. I think that's definitely going to change the look, don't you think? So RC4WD Drive, they make a lot of great accessories for the machines, and they do have a lot of roof rack options, actually. And there were a couple for the D110, and I just went and chose this one. I thought it looked pretty good, and I think it's going to look good on the truck. There it is. Actually, I just got to say, this thing does come pretty well packaged, so that's really nice. So here is the piece itself. This is the roof rack. I'll put a part number in the description below, of course, but this is a steel piece, and it looks really nice. I mean, they did a great job, just creating this piece, a nice black coating on it, and of course it comes with the hardware so you can install it. Now, installing it should be pretty easy as long as you have a drill and a drill bit. All you gotta do is basically put this on the top of the truck, just like that. I'm probably gonna line up the back of it flush with the rear, and then obviously use these holes, the mounting holes, as your guides for your drill. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to bring you guys over to the workbench. I'm just going to go and bolt this thing up using the stock hardware. Put a little drop of Loctite on the hardware just so it doesn't back off while I'm driving and stuff like that. But real simple, guys. It's going to make this truck look a lot better, I think. Maybe I got to find some accessories for the top coming up in future episodes. But this is going to look sweet. All right, I'm going to mount this thing up. I bet you it only takes me a few minutes. Then I'm going to head out for the quick drive. And as always, when I'm done with that quick drive, please hit that like button, the subscribe button, the notifications bell. Question or comment about the roof rack goes in the section below, of course. And then when you have some extra time, head over to rcdriver.com.